morning. So it is, what's today? Wednesday, and I figured I would film some of the baby prep that we've been up to. It is quite a different experience, baby prepping through a pandemic, and I was gonna show more in my last vlog, but more showed cooking, so I wanted to show more baby prep in this one. I'm gonna actually go into the baby's room and show you some stuff, but I have also a 32-week appointment today. I'm 32 weeks. Let's see if you can see me in this. Yeah, I'm 32 weeks today. There I am. So we have 8 weeks to go and what seems like a lot to do, but I don't really think we have too much to do. The room is not complete. We're just waiting on a few detail things, but it's pretty much there. Lots of different things going on and baby stuff kind of everywhere, but I will show you guys and take you along this journey as we get ready for our little guy to come. So last night we hung curtains, and as you can see, it is so bright in here. So we actually did the curtains from IKEA, and I have these in like everywhere in my house, so I knew I really liked them, but they were way too see-through for naps during the day. So we ordered this blackout piece that actually just like hooks behind the curtains. I'll show it to you guys in case you need something similar. And so we're gonna test that out today and see if that works, because we installed it last night and the sun peeks through this room. So let's see. Okay, so here is the room, no lights on with just that shut. So obviously super bright still. And the blinds, I mean, the curtains just didn't do much. So let's see. So not perfect. A lot of light is still getting through the top because I think this is like way too bright to sleep in. What do you guys think? I don't have any lights on in here. Let me try and do the curtains the other way. Okay, so that was pretty much a fail because this is the darkness of the room. I mean, it's dark, but like it's not go to sleep dark. So I'm still probably gonna have to do something to line the window. First baby prep fail of this video. Hello, so I am on my way to my 32-week appointment. It is like 2 seconds from my house, so I'm actually already here. It is freezing today, or I would have walked because it is nice to be able to walk, but I'm gonna go in and do this. It should be a really quick appointment, and then I'll be back home. I have some more stuff to show you guys, but hopefully we'll get some just normal news about our little guy. Hi guys, so it is way later, and the doctor appointment went well. No real updates for me as far as hospital changes or anything like that, but it was still a good appointment. Everything is looking good with him, and I wanted to show you guys our stroller. So we actually have put it together this weekend, and we went with the Uppa Baby Vista V2 in Bryce, which is like white, which I'm sure I'll be like laughing at myself later for doing. But his car seat that we got was black, and that's probably what he'll be in for the beginning, and most of the time I don't think he'll be in the bassinet too much, just when we take walks around here. And then the inside of the toddler seat is also black, so it's really just mostly white for this. We like how it maneuvers. It's really nice. It was really easy to put together. Coming from two people who are not good at things like that, it was super easy. So the second I got going on that, somebody rang the doorbell and Willow went crazy, and then I got distracted. But for us, it was easy to put together. It seems like it has really great reviews and people really love that stroller. And for us, because it's our first kid, we wanted one that turned into a double stroller, which that does. So that was important to us. And then just from moms that I know, everybody just kind of raved about that one the most. Hi guys, so I figured I would show you what's going on today. We got some packages in for a couple things. So I figured I would show. So the first thing, this stuff is from Spearmint Baby. I got him this, let me put you guys down. So I got him this really cute black button-up onesie. This is more for like hospital and pics. I know that button-up is not ideal. Most of his like sleeping pajamas and pajamas in general are zip-up, but I love the way the buttons look, and I just couldn't resist the black, and I just figure future kids will be able to wear this too. So this is like the softest, stretchiest material. I just also have a white one of these, so I think I'll bring the black and the white to the hospital. So one can be maybe going home and one could be for his announcement photos. The next thing I got was this really cute swaddle. It's like a bluish sage-ish green, but it's coming up really gray on camera, but it's like more of a green tone. But I thought that this would be really cute potentially for an announcement photo with the white onesie. And then I have another one for the black. And then I don't have a ton of bibs. I have some still on my registry, but I have like cottony ones for now, but I figured he would probably need these for later. And while I was placing the order to get free shipping, I just added this one because I really liked it. It's from the brand Mushy. It's a silicone bib. It's just taupe. I'll keep these in the kitchen for when months down the road he starts eating or food becomes a little bit more messy. And then some other stuff that I got were these tanks from Aerie. I just thought that these would be really great to have for nursing because they button up the front and just really comfy for summer. So I got it in gray and I also got it in tan. And I think these are on like major sale, so I'll link those if I can. Got another pair of joggers from Aerie. These are the, I don't know, they're like the ones everyone's wearing on Instagram, but I got them in like the whitish color because I also figured these could be good for going home from the hospital with just like a white t-shirt or something. Just super plain and comfy, but I just really liked the light color because I feel like I can wear these with like some of this stuff in the summer. But also I got the sweatshirt, it's just upstairs because I got that separately. It came in 2 packages for now because it's still pretty cold here. And then I got some biker shorts. I've been loving wearing biker shorts with just like big sweatshirts and t-shirts. So I got a pair from Aerie because I love their leggings for maternity or not maternity. I've had them and worn them for both. So that's my update today. So I just placed a couple orders online for some baby items. So I'll show you them when they come in, but I got a really cute stroller blanket from Brooklinen that was on sale today. It's like gray and white stars. I ordered one with his name on it. I haven't like gotten anything with his name on it from Crate and Barrel or Crate and Kids. Super cheap, like $20 some, maybe $30 some with the name, but super cheap, just like a white stroller blanket. I feel like I have a ton of swaddles, but I don't really have anything to like lay over him. And the one like baby blanket that we got is very thick, and it's gonna be summer when he's here. So for walks and things like that, and just to put on the ground for him to play on, I wanted some like thicker blankets. Ordered my breast pump through my insurance today. Went with the Spectra S1. If you guys know anything about breast pumps, I don't, so I just kind of went with the recommendation. Called the baby's pediatrician today, so we have them knowing that we're going to be coming. I just made my like must order list. So this is like if I don't get certain things off my registry, stuff that like I actually need, like a car seat base for Rango's car, his baby book. Got in some packages today. I wouldn't even want to show you that stuff, but maybe I will once the rest of it comes in. I made like a little basket of postpartum care with like just different things, Dermaplast, a peri bottle. I know they'll give me this stuff, but I wanted to have one upstairs and one downstairs. So with like pads and just all the stuff that you'll probably need after birth to have just in the bathroom, like in a basket hidden. So I've been working on that. Once that's done, I'll show you guys like what everything I put in there. And I think that's it. Hey guys, so I'm not a big DIYer at all. I'm in the baby's room, but I did want to do like one little thing for the baby. So I am going to do like a small gallery wall right here on this wall. And I ordered some prints. So I got this one, and then I already put this one in its frame, and this one off of Riley and Crew. But I couldn't find a third one that I liked with it. So I made one on Canva, if you guys ever use that site. And I couldn't even find a place to print it in the size that I wanted it. So I ordered it a little bit bigger and just trimmed it. But this is what I made. So it's just like a little moon, galaxy, star print situation on like a tan background. And I'm going to put it all together and then show you guys. I ordered frames off of Amazon, like super cheap frames. Thought this was like a cool idea. It was so easy to make, and I don't have talent really like that, but I was inspired by like a couple different prints online, but it just was nothing that I actually wanted to purchase. And I figured, why not make the baby something? So I did. And I think it turned out cute, but I'll show you guys once I get it framed. so here is the finished product. I think that it turned out really cute for like a DIY situation. So I, again, did the little moon on Canva. This print is from Nation's Photo Lab, and then the frame is from Amazon. So I'll show you kind of what I'm thinking in terms of the gallery wall. Okay, the lighting in here looks kind of crazy, but this is what I was thinking. So this frame is actually going to be in a 16 by 20. This is an 11 by 14. So the frame will be like bigger than this. This came out a little bit more yellow than I was hoping, so I may order it in a different, like I chose the color, but I may choose a different color once it's all up, but we'll see. Because I like how like nude that one is. This one's a little bit too pigmented, I think, but we'll see. And then that, so it would be like a 3 gallery wall right here. And then hoping to put some shelves right here once the rocker comes. So today is a very, very rainy, dreary, nasty day outside. So I decided that I was going to start some baby laundry. And I'm just gonna start from like newborn to 0 to 3 months, pajamas and like some loungy things I think he'll wear at the beginning. I don't wanna do too much because I just feel like it's gonna get gross sitting there, but I also wanna have some stuff ready. And my doctor told me in the next couple of weeks to start packing my hospital bag. So I know I'm gonna have a ton of laundry because I wanna wash everything that I'm gonna bring that baby will be like touching me on. And then obviously I'm gonna want to wash it all when we bring it home. And then I'm sure he'll be going through a ton of laundry, towels, burp cloths, blankets, you name it. So I'm gonna first start by stuff that I know I'm taking to the hospital. I just wanted to show you guys some of my favorite stuff. So I think I showed this that came in. This was a Spearmint Baby 0 to 3 month like little black onesie. This is a Loved Baby 0 to 3 little white onesie for 7 pounds and up. So I'm definitely gonna be washing these two. And then this might be his coming home outfit. I got this at Nordstrom Rack, but it's Nordstrom Baby and I see it on the website all the time. Cute little pants with like footies in them and like a nice little like wrap shirt, so I don't have to put anything over his head. Just a cute little like gray easy outfit, and I'll bring him a little matching swaddle. Okay, so this is how I'm organizing it. So this is all 3 to 6 months, but I have not washed any of that yet. This is all 0 to 3 and just his like few newborn things. So this is all washed and ready to go, and then as he grows out I will begin to wash this stuff. And then these are like little outfit sets, shorts, pants, and then 3 to 6, so we haven't washed those yet. This is like a bigger outfit too, but this is all his shorts. And then these are all of his just like onesie shirts. These are all tank tops, short sleeves and long sleeves. And then this is my little pile of the outfits that I'm going to bring for him for the hospital. So his coming home outfit, just 2 little onesies for him to be in there, just some long sleeve plain onesies, and then just like 1 little pair of pants and 1 shirt. I might put a gown in there, I'm just not sure, but I don't want to overdo it. I think that might be it. And then just some swaddles and other things like that. Hey guys, so a couple things came in for the baby and I figured I would show you, since these are probably things I would have liked to buy in store and like felt and touched, but obviously with the climate of everything, like I'm not able to do that. So I knew that I wanted to get a Barefoot Dreams baby blanket for him. And you're probably like, why did you buy your son a leopard blanket? But these are the softest blankets and I just like the leopard. Like that's my favorite pattern, and it's just gonna be like a little stroller blanket or just something he kind of like snuggles with at home. So I just didn't really think, and I just think why not? The carrier I also got is leopard, so he's gonna be a little leopard baby a little bit. And then the next one that I got is from Brook Linen. I realized I like don't have any blankets, and I was talking to my sister-in-law and I was like, what can we get you? Because it's her second boy within like a year and a half, so she doesn't really need a whole lot. And she's like, I need new nipples for my bottles and blankets because like they get gross after a while. And she's like, I don't have a ton of blankets for him to play around on or for the stroller anymore. Like, and I was like, oh, I don't have like any of that. So ordered her some and ordered me some. This is from Brook Linen Kids. It's their like Brook Littles line. And I just thought this was like the most darling blanket. I love how thick it is. It is so nice. but it's not like too heavy, so it's like perfect for summer. This will be more like for winter and just like playing on the floor at home. Okay, so the first piece is up, and I just kind of have it right in this little area where like his toys will be, and then obviously all that will be cleared out, and then some room for the door, but it does have a stopper, so all of this will be fine. And then I'm just deciding if I want to do this one or the moon on top, but I think I'm gonna do the moon on top. Okay, so the gallery wall is up. I think it looks really cute. I'm not showing you the full view because over here is a neon sign with his name on it that I want to keep a surprise. I think it looks really good. I just think I'm actually going to reprint this moon one that I made with a lighter tan. I just don't think it goes with the others as well. So I'm gonna go see if I can make that like super cream colored and then reprint that. And then I just actually got a call from Pottery Barn. So his chair will be coming next week, and then I'll be able to do a full nursery tour. The rocker is getting delivered today, which is like the last big piece of furniture for his room. And then I can like go ahead and once I can see that, I know like what wall space I have still to decorate and everything like that. So I'll know what else I want to do in there. Okay, so the chair is here. It is looking great. I need to figure out what I want to do with this lamp now. Because it has so many like posts, it's kind of hard to style it. So I may pull it out, or I may switch the plant and the lamp. I'm not 100% sure. I'm going to play around with it. This little ottoman we got from Amazon just to like have something to rock on it. And then I also have like a black blanket I may drape over this, but I'm just not sure yet. And then his little side table, and I ordered a picture for that frame. But so far so good, and it looks really, really nice. It's comfortable so far, and I'm sure we'll be spending a good amount of time in it. That is it for this video. I hope that you guys liked baby prepping with me in this crazy, crazy time. It's been a little interesting doing everything from home. Obviously, it's the safest option, and we're so blessed to be able to do that and live in a time where you can just order and have everything delivered to your home. But we just definitely feel a little bit unprepared because we still, you know, have yet to be able to pick up the little last things for him and all that good stuff. But we'll order it all soon, and I will update you guys again, obviously, before he comes. But thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.